I'm going to be showing you how to have GIF wallpaper in your Google Chrome. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is open your Google Chrome first. You can find it right here. Just go ahead and tap there. Once you're in Google Chrome, you just need to go to this website or this extension. So just look at here, this 3-dot button, just go ahead and tap there. And now you have multiple options here. You can find extensions right over here. Just tap on Visit Chrome Web Store. After you tap here, you just need to search for Live Start Page. So this is the one. So it's right here. Just go ahead and tap there. And now you need to tap on Add to Chrome. Tap on Add Extension again. So as you can see, you have successfully added the extension. So as you can see, you have a live wallpaper. So as you can see, you have successfully added a GIF wallpaper in your Google Chrome. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.